Hello, in this video, we will cover some commonly asked questions and provide you with an overview of the typical emergency cleanup process from start to finish. Our assessment starts at the known or suspected source of the emergency condition. The type of condition, water, mold, smoke, or any combination of those will determine the cleanup protocols. We will also look to confirm that the problem has been fixed. If needed, we can refer out plumbers or other contractors we have worked with to deal with most every type of repair needed. Typically, the source would need to be dealt with prior to cleanup and oftentimes can be done simultaneously. Having our referred contractors come in will help speed up the cleaning process. After the initial assessment is complete, an approximate estimate of cleanup services will be presented to you. You can then choose to file an insurance claim to cover all cleanup, repairs of demolished items, as well as the repair or replacement value for damaged contents. Or you can choose to pay out of pocket for cleanup services, which will be presented to you in a contract after the decision to not file a claim is made. Or you may choose to do the work yourself or with any contractor you wish. If you choose to work with True Restorations, we will begin immediately, or we can schedule a start date and start time that would work best for you. Once we begin working for you and with you, your assigned project manager will explain the benefits of having True Restorations help you deal with damaged and undamaged contents in the affected areas. We will offer and seek approvals for any pack-out needed of salvageable contents that are in the work area to provide space to work. With our experience and our reputation in the industry and our ability to work with any insurance carrier, if you do choose to file an insurance claim, we will provide valuable advice and assistance in helping you process your claim. We are confident that you will see the value of having True Restorations involved in your emergency cleanup. Your assigned project manager will answer any additional questions you may have once the initial assessment is complete. Thank you again for considering True Restorations.